Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars rule the perilous fight. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave. Welcome to the 4th Annual Salinas Pal Car Show. So we're out here at the 4th Annual Salinas Pal Car Show, and I am here with, I believe, Terry, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Terry Milliman.
And Terry, where are you from?
I actually live in Soledad, but I work here in Salinas.
Tell me a little bit more about your vehicle.
This is a 1963 GMC. We purchased it February of last year for about $3,500, and we did a frame-off build in about 2.5 months. So that's how long, and we've done things since then, but that's pretty much how long we've been working on the truck. We went to this year, this is my 26th show of the year, so we're all over the place. If you go to shows in California, you'll probably see us. Has a chrome and engraving. You can see the engraved air cleaner. That gets pretty expensive. We're part of the Tavares Family Car Club. We have all these cars that are all down here, all belong to our club. We nicknamed this truck El Diablo. It's given us a lot of problems from day one. We've had a little fender bender in it, all kinds of issues, but we got murals up under the hood. You got the devil on one side, his wife on the other side. You got pinstripes. It's candy apple red. There's 8 different color candies in the paint job. There's ice pearl white and red flake mixed into the paint. Sits on air. It's a 350 engine with a 700 R4 transmission. We got tilt bed that was just done. We try to do something new every show that we go to. This is a truck. We spent a lot of money on it, but I'm proud of it. Reason I have this truck is my stepfather had the same exact truck when I was a little kid, and I was supposed to inherit it, and he totaled the truck when I was 11, so when I was financially able to buy a vehicle, this is what I bought, and it's a little different than what everyone has, and that's probably why it gets a lot of attention. So,
Well, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. Thank you so much for coming to the Salinas Pal Car Show. Can you tell me a little bit more about your vehicle?
Sure. It's a 1979 Thunderbird. My name is Robert Jimenez. It's a brandy wine. I did the bottom, did the motor, redid the motor. We did the undercarriage. I got about 7 years building it. As we're the original owners on it. We bought her here on Abbott Street in Salinas, California. My grandfather bought it here in Salinas for me and my brother, and we built it. And so it's been a while. It's been sitting for like 25 years in the garage, and I brought it out. It's been about 7 years I've been building it, and that's pretty much what we got there right now so far.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us. Thank you so much for supporting Salinas Pal Car Show. How long have you been coming to these events? Is this your first one?
It's actually my first time here. Really like it.
This is my first time here too.
How do you two feel about this event?
Nice day, good turnout, a lot of nice cars to look at. I'm really happy.
A lot of people here, beautiful event.
And what do you think so far?
Oh, it's amazing. It's actually more cars than I expected, and it's something cool, something unique, you know.
Well, thank you so much for supporting us.
Well, I lived in Salinas all my life. I out on Santa Rita, went to Santa Rita school, and then the car itself, I found it in 2004, I think it was, and it took me 6 years. I took it to my shop. The only thing I didn't take off of it was the rear end and the gas line, and I took it all to pieces, and it took me 6 years to do all this, and I had the engine done by Segates Brothers. And the paint job was Tony Dissett from Abbott Street Auto Body, and I did some of the upholstery. I did all the putting back together myself, and Ken's upholstery there helped me with that part. But I majorly did a lot of it myself in my own shop. But that's pretty much.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us.
I don't know what to say. This is crazy. This is twice as big as last year. Within the 2 week or 3 weeks, from the Tavares Super Show to, I call it the Pal Super Show, we had over 1,000 cars in Salinas. It goes to show you don't need to go to Pebble Beach to find nice cars. You can come down to Salinas. So. Thank you, everybody, for coming out. August 22nd to 2020 is our next car show. Thank you, everybody.